Welcome and thank you for checking out my YouTube channel. Let's get into what I have for you today. So a company recently contacted you to build a website for them. So let's assume the company name is newcompany.com. But this newcompany.com already have an existing hosting and an email address, and their email address is running on that hosting as well. But then you don't want to take over everything. You just want to take over the website side of that hosting they have, such that their email will continue to run on their existing server. So what do? Step one is to set up a new hosting server for them on your own side. So after setting up a new hosting for them on your own side, you now go to their own cPanel to obtain the A record of their email, of their website. So you go to cPanel, click on zone editor. It will open up like so. Click on manage. It will open up like this. So what you need to do is you copy the IP address from the newly set up server for them, that you have set up for them on your own side. Copy the IP address and come over to their zone editor here. Click on edit. Paste the IP address on the first A records like so. You paste the IP address on their A records. All the A records you find here, paste the new IP address. But the only A records I would not like you to change is the one with webmail. Don't change it. The one with web disk, don't change it. And then any other thing, you don't have business with it. Only the A record. Just change all the A records basically, but the only A records you should not touch is the webmail. Now after you have done that, click on save. Wait for like maybe 2 hours or 24 hours, and then you can test on your own server if the website is working well. And then you can also test the email to see that everything is working well. But there is a downside to this, and the downside to this is that if you use PHP admin, to send and receive, if you use PHP admin to configure the web form of your website, there's a possibility that it might not work. So what you need to do is you can use the plugin called Fluent SMTP, and then you can set up SMTP using one of their email on their server in your own side, so that there can be a communication when someone sends an email from the newly created website, so that it can deliver to their email address. For more information on that, using Fluent SMTP plugin, you can check my previous video on where I spoke extensively on how to configure Fluent SMTP. I hope it has been informative. If you have further questions, just hit me in the comment section. Thank you for watching.